Good morning everybody. Good morning. Our first day sa among kuan after we get after we married.
It's our honeymoon.
Honeymoon time. At Sea Forest, Sibulan.
Sea Forest. It's a very
Sea Forest
beautiful
Resort,
place.
Sibulan.
Water park and
Thank you, Lord.
everything's just so beautiful.
Thank you, Lord Jesus Christ. Lamit kayo. Mo sa iyong kabuntagonan mo. Thank you, Lord God.
I'm gonna pour this over everything, okay?
Yeah, that's on a syrup.
Not very much, but
Mga tanin nyo guys, mga tanin nyo tanan. First na mong kuan adlaw nga. Among adlaw nga sa among kaminyoon. Naminyo na jud ang gamatoy. Naminyo na jud ang little person in Sibulan. Nga wala ko ma-expect.
and a big person.
Na big person in California. So as a ring malab ya. As ang manay mong kakuan minyo na jud me. Minyo na jud Oy malab. Yeah. Minyo na jud me duha. Thank you Lord. Salamat Ginoong Dios sa tanan, labaw sa tanan. Kanimo di Ginoong God, salamat Lord. Ay mo kami akong gipasinati ang kaminyoon Lord, salamat Ginoong God. Salamat. Ang gabi. Gusto kami anyon. Mga tanin nyo. Nagkakulugan.
Oh, that's good. It's good, isn't it, babe? Really good.
Yeah.
Is this corned beef hash? Is what that is?
And you know that just you put some lots of garlic.
Oh yeah, great.
Ano ba? Like,
Hello, my wife.
salamat kay Ginoo. Marami gura. Garambo sa tanan na naminyo na day minday. Salamat kayo. Ang pamilya, thank you so much ang pamilya. Mama at papa, kamay suon, ate Donna, Chacha Iya, ate Oyin, Aya, Mandenis, ate Donna, labi lang ate Donna, salamat kanimo ha. Ate Oyin, Cha, thank you kanyong tanan. Thank you so much, Tita Lolit, Tita Inday, Tito Richard, kanyong tanan, Tita Mila, thank you, salamat kanyong tanan. Sa mga pagmangkon, thank you kanyong tanan, salamat kayo. Ano to? Guys, saran on. Thank you guys, salamat.